Hey mate, how are you?
Good.
I've been sent here by my boss. I'm after a left-handed screwdriver, hammer grease and bucket of steam.
He's taking the piss out of you.
Hey?
He's taking the piss out of you.
What do you mean?
He's having a joke with you.
Oh really? Oh, do you know where I could find him then?
There's no such thing as any of those.
Oh, you're kidding me.
No, he's taking the piss.
Oh, bloody hell, fuck. It's just a sausage roll, please.
Yeah.
I'd chuck my sausage in your roll.
Do you know what? I'll give you that one. 'Cause I
cheers.
haven't heard that yet.
Oh, fuck! Keep going.
Sorry, mate.
Fuck! Call 000.
I'm good. No, it's a prank. It's a prank, man. I got a camera on
You
you.
don't recognise him?